I'm going to cook dinner. I'm going to cook dinner. Can you wash the vegetables? Can you wash the vegetables? Chop the onions, please. Chop the onions, please. Do we need more garlic? Do we need more garlic? Turn on the stove. Turn on the stove. I'll boil the water. I'll boil the water. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Add a pinch of salt. Add a pinch of salt. Stir the soup gently. Stir the soup gently. Can you pass me the oil? Can you pass me the oil? Let's make a salad. Let's make a salad. Bake the bread for 20 minutes. Bake the bread for 20 minutes. Do you like spicy food? Do you like spicy food? The chicken needs to marinate. The chicken needs to marinate. Let's grill some vegetables. Let's grill some vegetables. Cut the carrots into thin slices. Cut the carrots into thin slices. Can you taste the sauce? Can you taste the sauce? Don't burn the rice. Don't burn the rice. I'll make some tea. I'll make some tea. Heat the pan before adding oil. Heat the pan before adding oil. Is the soup ready? Is the soup ready? How do you cook this dish? How do you cook this dish? We need more sugar. We need more sugar. Mix the ingredients well. Mix the ingredients well. Can you open this jar? Can you open this jar? This knife is very sharp. This knife is very sharp. Let's have a barbecue. Let's have a barbecue. Microwave the leftovers. Microwave the leftovers. Do you want some dessert? Do you want some dessert? I'll make a sandwich. I'll make a sandwich. Fry the chicken until golden brown. Fry the chicken until golden brown. Can you hand me a spatula? Can you hand me a spatula? I need to peel the potatoes. I need to peel the potatoes. Let's cook together. Let's cook together. Do you want to try this dish? Do you want to try this dish? I'll boil the eggs. I'll boil the eggs. We need to buy some groceries. We need to buy some groceries. Don't forget to stir the sauce. Don't forget to stir the sauce. Can you cut the bread? Can you cut the bread? The oven is too hot. The oven is too hot. I'm making a smoothie. I'm making a smoothie. The chicken needs more time to cook. The chicken needs more time to cook. Can you help me in the kitchen? Can you help me in the kitchen? This dish is delicious. This dish is delicious. I'm frying some fish. I'm frying some fish. The vegetables are fresh. The vegetables are fresh. Let's make some cookies. Let's make some cookies. Don't overcook the meat. Don't overcook the meat. Can you hand me a plate? Can you hand me a plate? Let's eat together. Let's eat together. The chicken is crispy. The chicken is crispy. Can you help me cut the meat? Can you help me cut the meat? Let's have a picnic. Let's have a picnic. The sauce is perfect. The sauce is perfect. Let's make some tacos. Let's make some tacos. The pasta is ready. The pasta is ready. Let's grill some meat. Let's grill some meat. Slice the tomatoes. Slice the tomatoes. Can you grate the cheese? Can you grate the cheese? The soup smells delicious. The soup smells delicious. I will set the table. I will set the table. Let's toast the bread. Let's toast the bread. Can you blend the fruits? Can you blend the fruits? I will stir-fry the vegetables. I will stir-fry the vegetables. Can you add more water? Can you add more water? The cake is rising in the oven. The cake is rising in the oven. I need a bigger bowl. I need a bigger bowl. Let's simmer the stew. Let's simmer the stew. I am making scrambled eggs. I am making scrambled eggs. Can you measure the flour? Can you measure the flour? Bake the cake. Bake the cake. Do you want to knead the dough? Do you want to knead the dough? Let's garnish the dish. Let's garnish the dish. Can you flip the pancakes? Can you flip the pancakes? I will drizzle some olive oil. I will drizzle some olive oil. Can you sprinkle some herbs? Can you sprinkle some herbs? Let's sauté the mushrooms. Let's sauté the mushrooms. I will make some mashed potatoes. I will make some mashed potatoes. Can you dice the bell peppers? Can you dice the bell peppers? Mince the garlic. Mince the garlic. Soak the beans. Soak the beans. Pour the water. Pour the water. Spread the jam. Spread the jam. Ladle the soup. Ladle the soup. Drain the pasta. Drain the pasta. Chop the herbs. Chop the herbs. Whip the cream. Whip the cream. Crush the nuts. Crush the nuts. Please wash the rice. Please wash the rice. Pour the milk. Pour the milk. Grill the chicken. Grill the chicken. Whisk the eggs. Whisk the eggs. Grease the pan. Grease the pan. Boil the noodles. Boil the noodles. Poach the eggs. Poach the eggs. Heat the oil. Heat the oil. Sauté the onions. Sauté the onions. Dice the carrots. Dice the carrots. Melt the butter. Melt the butter.